Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class, I am going to teach you group theory, particularly the topic stabilizer and orbit. So let us start the topic. Stabilizers. Let G be a group of permutations on a set S. For any A belongs to S, the stabilizer of A, that means this element A, is denoted by staff A. And it is defined by staff A is equal to F belongs to G. That means the permutation F belongs to G, such that F of A is equal to A. It means those mapping in G which fix A, that means A goes to A. Now I will provide an example by which this stabilizer will be more clear to you. Let G is equal to I, identity permutation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 5, 6, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. Then we have to find stabilizer 1, stabilizer 4 and a stabilizer 5 under G. So let us start the solution. First of all, we have to expand this permutations which is given in a group G. Here I is equal to, the maximum element is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1 related to 1, 2 related to 2, 3 related to 3, 4 related to 4, 5 related to 5 and a 6 related to 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1. 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 3. Then 5 goes to 5, 6 goes to 6. Here 1, 2 means 1 related to 2, 2 related to 1. 3, 4 means 3 related to 4, 4 related to 3. And 5, 6, they will be related to like this. 5 will be related to 5 itself. 6 will be related to 6 itself. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 related to 2, 2 related to 3, 3 related to 4, 4 related to 1, 5 related to 6, 6 related to 5. So this is the permutation. Now 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 related to 3, 3 related to 1, 2 related to 4, 4 related to 2, and 5 related to 5, 6 related to 6. Then 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 6. So this will be 1 related to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 related to 4, 4 related to 3, 3 related to 2, 2 related to 1. 5 related to 6, 6 related to 5. then 5, 6, 1, 3. 5, 6, 1, 3. This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 5 related to 6, 6 related to 5, 1 related to 3, 3 related to 1, then 2 related to 4 related to 4. Next, 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1 related to 4, 4 related to 1. 1 related to 4, 4 related to 1. 2 related to 3, 3 related to 2. 5 related to 5, 6 related to 6. Now 2, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 2 related to 4, 4 related to 2, 5 related to 6, 6 related to 5, 1 related to 1, 3 related to 3. So now we have the permutations or mappings given in the group G. Now we have to find the stabilizer. Then stabilizer of 1. So here we have to see in those mapping where 1 goes to 1. So this is equals to I. Here 1 goes to 1. Then 2, 4, 5, 6. 2, 4, 5, 6. So stabilizer 1 is I 2, 4, 5, 6. Because here 1 goes to 1 and 1 goes to 1. That means 1 is related to 1 itself. Here 1 is related to 1 itself. Stabilizer 4 under G. This is equals to first mapping I. 4 goes to 4, 4 goes to 4, 5, 6, 1, 3. Here 4 goes to 4. So we are having 2 mappings. Stabilizer of 5 I. 5 goes to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 5 goes to 5. Then 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. Then 1, 4, 2, 3. 1, 4, 2, 3. So we have solved this problem and we are getting stabilizer of 1, 4 and a 5 answer. So first of all here we have to write the complete mapping which is in the group so that we can have the clear idea. So now stabilizer of 1 under G means we have to select those mapping where 1 related to 1 itself. In the first stabilizer of 1, this is the mapping where 1 related to 1. then here 1 related to 1. So there are two mappings. Stabilizer 4 is related to 4 here, and a 5, 6, 1, 3. Here 4 is related to 4 itself. Now stabilizer 5 related to 5 in first mapping in 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 3, 2, 4, then 1, 4, 2, 3. So the first question is now solved. Now let us proceed for orbit of a point. Orbit of a point. Let G be a group of permutations of a set S. The orbit of S belongs to S is denoted by ORB, orbit of S, and it is given by orbit of S is equal to phi of S. Phi belongs to G. Example. Now, this is a question. Let G is equal to I 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 6. Then find orbit 1, orbit 3, orbit 5 under G. So here I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, 3 goes to 4, 4 goes to 3. And here 5 will be related to 5 itself, 6 will be related to 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 related to 4, 4 related to 1, 5 related to 6, 6 related to 5. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 related to 3, 3 related to 1, 2 related to 4, 4 related to 5. Then 5 related to 5, 6 related to 6. The last one is 1, 4, 3, 2, 5, 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 related to 4, 4 related to 3, 3 related to 2, 2 related to 1, 5 related to 6, 6 related to 5. So now we have to find orbit, then orbit of a 1 under S. So now here 1 goes to 1, 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1. Now 1, 2. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 3, 3 goes to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means the element 1 will generate 1, 2, 3, 4. Now orbit of 3. So now 3 related to 3, then 3 related to 4, 4 related to 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 1, 2. So 3 also related 1, 2, 3, 4. Then orbit of 5. Now 5 related to 6, 6 related to 5. 5, 6. So we get orbit of 1, orbit of 3 and orbit of 5. That means we have to write the element generated by 1, generated by 3, generated by 5. So answer. So orbit of a point is now completed. The topic for today class is completed. I shall meet you with a new topic in my next class. Till then, goodbye.